So today I'm going to quickly and easily show you how to get rid of bird lime stains that appear after you wash off the bird poop off your dark colour car. You'll notice if it's been in the sun and you get rid of these, they'll leave a mark, you can't polish it off. I'll show you right now. We'll wash this off, we'll show the mark that's left, and then I'll show you how to get rid of it. So I've got it all washed off, and you can see what I was going on about, the bird lime stains that burn into your black surfaces or your dark colour surfaces, especially on black cat roofs like this. You wash it, it doesn't come off, it doesn't polish off. I'll show you right now how you're going to get rid of that really easily. Let's go. All you need is a cheap heat gun. You can pick these up from anything from like 10 to 40 quid, depending on how good a model you want. 10 quid one still does the job, just doesn't have the variable control on it. So all we're going to do is get this up to speed. So you wait till it gets hot. Make sure we got it on a decent high setting. And here's the thing, you don't want to do too much because you can actually damage the paint further. But look, so here's the marks we can't get off. We've got the heat gun up to temperature. We'll keep an eye on it. Did you see that go then? That's how easy it is. You see people scrubbing away. I've even seen guys in body shops like mopping it, trying to get it off. But you just need to replicate because it went in with heat. So if you replicate the heat, the marks come back out. So let's now, we put the heat gun back on. I'll show you again on this one. Here we go. Look at that, as easy as that. It's got self-healing paint, especially on Toyotas, they have self-healing paint, which them marks have just totally gone. And we'll go along, we've got another one here. So I'll turn the heat gun back on. I'll get it up to speed. I'll keep the camera on it so you can see against the ultraviolet. You can just about make it out. There you go. That is how easy. You don't need to go to a body shop. You don't need to worry. As long as you get it off fairly quickly. If you leave it on there too long, it will burn through. But I'm talking months rather than days. But yeah, now look at that. I've got to go over the roof. There's loads, as you'll remember from when we first looked at it over here. But if you look at the back of the spoiler, all of them stains, all the bird lime stains that were pickled in through heat have now gone. That's how easy it is. You don't even need a heat gun. You can use your hairdryer, but they don't get as hot. So I've done it before, but it takes a lot longer and it's a real laborious pain trying to hold it there, waiting for it to dissipate the stain and get rid of it. So yeah, that is how easily you can remove your bird lime stains on your roofs or your bonnets of your cars or down the doors even. If you've got a dark colored car and you put it in the sun, it marks it, you know, you've seen it before if it's happened to you, and that's how you easily get rid of it. So, I'm going to carry on with this roof. If you want to hang about and watch, please do. I'm just going to go over the entire roof now. Look at that. It's quite satisfying actually, watching them dissipate. So I said feel free to go. You don't have to hang around, but I'm just going to carry on. I find it quite enjoyable. So this one's quite bad actually. We're taking it all out. This one obviously you saw before had a lot of bird poo, more than you'd normally have. It's been parked up under a tree for a long period of time. Just gonna go over, you see that spoiler now, look at that. As you can see, the roof's come up really well. We've just got to finish off now on this spoiler lid. You'll see it's covered all the way along. I'm just gonna go along, removing it. We'll watch it as it goes. Look at that, it's that easy. It's like sweeping the floor. It literally is. The marks here. Back across here, and as you come back, look, you'll see how perfect it is now. They've all gone. We've gone from looking terrible to looking great. We've got another one around this side. We'll get rid of that if you want to have a look. This is how easy it's going to be. We're just going to stick this onto it, and there it goes. Very, very therapeutic. So I've also got a blue one that's had the same problem. A bird has pooped on it and it's left its marks. We're gonna get rid of this as well. It's also on the roof bar as well, look. So yeah, let's get this going. Got the heat gun warming up. Let's get rid of that mark. at that, as easy as that. And that's how you get rid of bird poop stains. If that video was of help, please do give it a like, it will help my channel immensely. Thank you so much and have a great day.